Now, it is not permissible for us to think of attributes about Allah that are valid for us to think of substances and objects. In other words, it makes a person an infidel. For example, what are these? Movement. Movement means moving after standing still. And tranquility. What does tranquility mean? It means stopping after movement. And zeval. Zeval means that when you move from one place to another, you disappear from there. You cannot be there at the same time. That is zeval. Allah, for example, never zeval. Vel intikal. Intikal means passage, passing, going. You go from there to there. When you leave, you disappear from there. And tagayur, change, to grow old, to become senile, to become weak, to become outdated, to be subject to malfunctions, to be afraid, to be frightened, to be ashamed. These attributes are attributed to Allah in the hadiths. The purpose is the meaning intended to be conveyed there. The dictionary meaning is never valid. Do you understand? Now you are saying that Allah is ashamed to torment His servant among His brothers and sisters. Now is it like your haya? Is it like your shame? Now in your shame, what do you have? And what were you? In a state of panic. You have changes. What happens all of a sudden? Your heartbeat speeds up. It speeds up. Do you blush when you're ashamed? It blush and so on and so forth. There are outward signs. Can there be such shame in Allah? Allah forbid. Then there will be a change in Him too. Your pulse rate has gone up from 60 to 125, brother. This is a big change. Why are you like this? I panicked. Okay, it is tagayur, change happens. This is a servant's thing. Can there be a change in Allah? Now, even though these attributes are attributed to Allah in verses and hadiths, they are metaphorical attributions. They are interpreted and their necessary meanings are intended. What does it mean that their necessary meanings are intended? That is, if you are ashamed of a man, when you are embarrassed of him, when you feel ashamed, would you do something that would embarrass him? You would not. And what does Allah mean when He says, I am haya? He means that I will not torment this servant. Otherwise, like you, Allah forbid, what signs of change should there be in the essence of our Mawla, in His attribute? In this respect, He is free from change.